Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, August 27th of 2019. Here are the announcements for today. For our lunch choices, we have cheeseburger, chef salad with roll, and crispy chicken wrap. And also, just to let everybody know that coming out next week for teachers, you'll be able to sign up for our PBIS rotation schedule, in which we're going to have guest presenters kind of share about the expectations in different areas of the building. We'll be looking at doing that during the week of September 9th. So the schedule will come out next week after Labor Day. And today for our PAWS samples, we have some 4th grade students here from Mrs. Williams' class to share some things about PAWS.
All right, boys and girls, today for our PAWS, we have some students here going to talk about playground things not to do out there.
Do not run playground. Do not hold on when you're swing. Do not climb up or down the slide.
Good advice. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you very much. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Have your right hand over your heart.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and I have some students here from 4th grade from Mrs. Williams' class. So please make sure that you're standing and you have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. I appreciate it. Everyone have a terrific Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you out and about, and make sure that you're making some positive choices today.